So y'all, so this is my setup right here that I got. A 1-4 scope, and it's a you know, LWRC M6. Pretty nice gun. And then I got my target set up. Here, I'll show you guys. So this is my target setup. Got the little, what's that, an 10 inch steel target right there. Shit holds up pretty good, man. And the spider stand. I got the man and the myth. Yeah, alright. Put a hole in that motherfucker. Got the SeaTac stand. Put a you put the 2x4 right there too. I set up a stand, and then I got my little things right here, the gongs. That's 8, 10, 12, I believe. But yeah, this setup is cool. I love it. I like it. But yeah, that's my setup, man. You know what I mean? Also, by no means am I like a marksman or a pro. I'm just a beginner, you know. It's been long months and years. I am rusty. That's why, you know, practice makes perfect. I'm getting there, you know. One day at a time. But yeah.